Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and one of the most common mistakes people make when setting up ads in the Meta Business Suite is not choosing the right objectives. So, in today's video, I quickly wanted to walk through the goal setting stage so that you have a proper knowledge of what type of outcome you can select when setting up an ad here in the Meta Business Suite. So here at the ad setup stage, we're in the goals and we can see that there are a lot of different objectives to choose from. The first one here is getting started with automated ads. We don't want to touch this at the moment because it's simply a bit too complex at the beginner stage. The second one is boosting Instagram content. Now, this is basically an ad that you can use to reach more profiles on Instagram so that more people see your content. Again, not an objective that we want to use at the moment because it doesn't have a conversion outcome that allows us to either get leads or sales. If we come over here to get more messages, this can be a great entry level point if you're wanting to reach people who might be interested in knowing more about your product or services. So that's definitely a great option to go with. As is the get more calls option. You can put your business phone number into the ads, and if people click on the ad, they will then go through to calling you. So that's a great option. Now, the next one can be a bit nuanced, which is getting more website visitors. However, what you have to understand is those visitors aren't necessarily going to be people interested in buying your content or products or services. So, probably not the best option to use right now. Nor is getting more page visits and followers. You can have the most followers in the world, and if they aren't actively engaging with your content, it's not going to do you any good. Now we can go for the option of getting more website purchases with your catalog. Again, if you have a Facebook shopping catalog set up, this is a fantastic option. You can get more bookings, which is good if you are a cafe, restaurant, or hotel, as is getting more website purchases, perfect if you're an e commerce business. Boosting the Facebook content, similar to the Instagram one, will show your content to more people, but it won't necessarily mean that you will get more inquiry or sales. So, best to avoid it for now. As is getting more page likes and promoting your business locally. People may see it, but it doesn't necessarily mean they will respond to it. Getting more leads, if you're a service based business, is a fantastic objective to choose. So now that we've done a rundown of all of those things, remember to choose the right ones based on your business, service, or product offerings. I hope you found this video useful. Hit that like button if